Hey guys, this is Merta with World of Gadgets. I have another good one here. So we're gonna do doing a quick unboxing on this new MacBook Pro. So I mean, it seems like almost now everybody is getting the latest generation of the MacBook Pros, and there are a lot of reviews online right now, especially on YouTube, and people are complaining about the i9 and i7. So what I decided to do, because I'm going to be trying to using this for pretty much doing edits on a go. I decided to go ahead and pick the i7 version. So this is the i7 6-core with 8-gen Intel processor. It's the it comes with the 16 gigs of RAM, and also I picked the 256 gigabyte of storage, internal storage. I assume I mainly use my Samsung T9 when I go here and there. So the actual storage that comes in especially in this unit, is pretty fine for me. What I'm going to be doing though is going to be a little bit different. So instead of going all through the show you guys benchmark and stuff like that, I'm pretty sure you guys can see it all over YouTube. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do the quick unboxing here and show you guys some of the accessories that I usually carry with me. As you can also see pretty much from all my videos now, in different hotel rooms. I travel quite often for work, and I apologize for not posting videos almost every week. I'm trying my best, but with working full time and everything and traveling all the time makes it a little bit difficult. And I would also like to thank most of you guys that subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your support. And I will be posting the next video I talked about I think a few weeks ago on my Razer. I'm going to be announcing the winner pretty soon for the giveaway. I already did the desktop as well that I created, the custom desktop. I will hopefully that was gonna come out before this one, but if that happens somewhere down there or somewhere up here, I'm gonna post a link for you guys if you want to check that out. It's a beast. It turned out very nice. But let's get back to this guy. So I'm gonna do an open boxing in this guy, and I'll show you guys the accessory that I usually carry with me, and also I got a very cool skin for this, which is pretty much the same color as the space gray as this one is, but then you protect it from scratches, and I will show you guys how to put it on. It's very simple. And again, for every single accessory that we're going to show you guys here, I will put the link down in the description if you guys want to purchase it. Be my guest. Alright, so without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so let me show you guys some of the stuff that I usually take out with me, especially when I'm traveling with my MacBook. So one of the most important items that I usually take with me is my solid state, portable solid state, and this one is a Samsung T5. This particular one is the one with the 500 gig which I'm thinking I should maybe upgrade this to 1 terabyte or even 2 terabyte. But it's been very fast, very reliable so far, and honestly, with having something like this, and that was basically one of my biggest reasons that I just said, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the 256 and save the money there, because this basically will serve me well without any issues. The second item is I have usually carry two different kind of mouses with me. I got if I want to do something just very simple, casual, but then still get that, I don't know, the Apple Magic mouse kind of feeling, I'll take this guy with me. This is the Logitech Ultra Thin Touch. So it still gives you the touch abilities on the surface. It's very thin, as you can see. And the cool thing on this guy is also it works with two devices at the same time if you want. You can actually pair two devices, and by just toggling the switch, you can go back and forth. It's very small, and again, as I said, I think I mentioned that like 5 times already. All right, so let's move on. The other mouse that I also carry with me is this guy right here. This guy works on 3 devices at the same time, so it comes very helpful if I want to, I don't know, for video editing, or if I'm doing something that I have good enough amount of room next to me. So this works very nice, especially it syncs to my Razer as well, so I can do, basically just have one mouse. I don't have to worry about any dongles. Since it's Bluetooth, it works great. And I think one of the most important items, especially if you have a MacBook, is, as we all know, we're living in a world of dongles now, is this little guy right here. So this thing, it's, to be honest with you, for the size of it and for the ports that it's providing, it's great. So let's start with this side. We get 2 USB 3.0s. We got a full SD card reader. We got a macro SD card reader. We also get 2 USB Type-Cs here. And this one will, it's a power pass-through, so you can charge your laptop at the same time that it's plugged in. And also it's giving you an HDMI port here. So all you need, it comes in all one package. Very simple, very sleek. And the other thing I like about it matches with the same, it matches the space gray that I have here. But I believe they do have this on silver as well. And again, I will put the a link down in the description if you guys want to take advantage of this. Sometimes they're running special. Normally it goes for 99 bucks, but I think I got it on Amazon on special for like 79. But you never know. And last but not least, this is the other item that I purchased that I will be installing right now, so you guys can also get a feeling of what this does. So it's a very solid skin. I had it on my MacBook 13-inch, and I got this from Amazon. Again, I'll put a link down in the description as well. So this particular one comes with the skin that covers the top. There's a skin that covers the bottom, and also on the trackpad as well if you want. And honestly, so far it's been great on my 13-inch, and I particularly hate getting scratches on my devices, so this gives me an peace of mind. I don't have to worry about anything. Obviously, if I drop it, it will break, but at least when I just toss it in my backpack, I don't have to worry about getting a scratch or anything like that. So let's go and put this on. guys, so that was it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like it, push the like button, and if you subscribe to the channel, you'll be seeing more videos coming shortly, so don't miss out. I will also will have links for all these items that I show you guys. If you want to purchase from Amazon, I will have them a link down in the description. And if you have any questions about anything, comments, I'll be happy to hear what you have to say. All right, till next time, have a good one.